Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Want to sell Temu products on your Shopify store? Well, in this video, we will show you how to connect Temu to Shopify in 2024, enabling seamless product imports and sales integration. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, you will need to go to your Shopify account and log into it. Right after that, just make sure that you have created your website and it is ready to go. Now, if you search for for Temu, for example, in the apps, you click in here on apps and basically go into all recommended apps and go into the Shopify App Store and try to search for Temu. Now, this might be a problem for you guys, but it will not really be allowing you to find any Temu here. So Temu dropshipping is not available on the Shopify App Store, and it is confirmed by the support team, as you can see right here. So this is Shopify stuff. Thank you for reaching out for the community. I'll be happy to provide some assistance with locating an app to ensure this gets solved. After taking a closer look, it doesn't seem like the app Temu Dropshipping is available within the Shopify App Store. While I can completely understand how that might not be ideal, I recommend checking out one of our other dropshipping apps that are available to be added to your shop. If you haven't already, I also recommend checking their dropshipping guide. This is a free resource available to you that provides you with everything you need in order to create a successful dropshipping store. So as you can see here, Temu is not really a part of Shopify. So how can you fix this problem? Well, in this video, we're actually going to learn how we can import everything from Temu into Shopify. So here we have this Importify. So what we are going to do is to actually install Importify Chrome extension. So here I'm going to click on this. As you can see, this is Importify product importer. Next thing I need to do is make sure that the rating are real, the reviews are real also, there is no hate in here, and then click on add to Chrome. Once you have added the extension here, what you will need to do next is to basically click and make sure that it is working. Let me just unpin a couple of these. Let me just remove this, remove that, and keep this one. So here we have the extension, which is Importify Products Importer. Now if you clicked on it, that will not do anything unless you go to Temu. So visit the Temu website. As you can see here, now I am on Temu, and here there is hundreds of products. So I'm going to close this, close that, and as you can see, this is add. So this is basically Importify, so I'm gonna just ignore it. For now, let's try to find a good product. I'm going to go here and click on this camera or this light, for example. Let's go with this thing here. So this is like something that gives water so you can clean after having this is like a toilet spray gun with water corner value. So yeah, this is a very good thing to have within your toilet. So for example, I'm selling this kind of stuff, so I'm going to click right here on add, and what would this do is to open the Importify. So I need to log into my account. This will take me right here to Importify official website, which will require me to actually choose one of these websites, which are basically Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, or Jumpseller. So here I have to log in my account in here. So let's go here, as you can see, and after that I will have to search for the apps and search now for the Importify. So instead of searching for Temu, I'm just gonna search for Importify. So here it is. As you can see, this is Importify Easy Dropshipping. Just make sure to install it. Let's wait a little bit. That will install the plugin for us, and here we go. Pretty easy, and as you can see, it has been created. Now you have to get one of these premium plans in case you would like to actually have other things imported. So here, to start your free trial, access the import to the dashboard, please subscribe to one of these plans. So what you get from this is you cannot really use any of these things in here unless you do have the the premium version. So there is the basic, premium, gold. Each one will have its own benefits, but what you need to understand is basically, unless you do not um, get the premium plan, you will not be able to use anything of these things. So you have to get the premium plan. Now, once you get the premium plan, as I mentioned, this whole thing will get imported. It will be added here to the import list, which you can choose later on right by clicking on it. I don't have the premium version, so I can't click on it, but just by clicking on it, you will find the buttons that will allow you to simply choose and pick which product you would really like to send to your Shopify store that you have connected. As you can see, here it is. This is the code of my store, as you can see right here. To make sure it is the one, just you can check it from the URL. So here it is, admin.shopify.com store b43cb1 dash 53. So this is exactly the name of the site. So simply by having one of these premium plans, now for the variety, what are the difference between them? Here they are all mentioned here. For example, for the basic one, you can import a limited product from their supported websites such as Amazon, such as like let me just guess here. Yeah, there they are. So there is AliExpress, Amazon, like etc. So as you can see here, there's like a long list with all the websites. Besides Amazon, as you can see, it's not supported within the all plans. It's only supported with the premium and the gold plan. For all others, you will have them here. So let's check for Temu. Let's search for Temu, and it's supposed to be in here. It doesn't really matter if it's not here, since it's working. Like the actual thing, the actual here it is. Yeah, here it is. So the actual button was here. So let me just refresh. Yep, here it is, the button. So as long as this button is shown in any website, it means that it supports that website, even if it wasn't included within this list. So this, as I said, it will give you a limited amount of product from the supported website, but in product description editor, pricing rules, so you can literally, like, whatever product you have imported from here, you can add like pricing rules, which are the margin of benefit that you want to add on the price. For example, this one is like $30. You can add a pricing rule that's added, for example, 20% on any price, so there will be always a benefit or a room for benefits for yourself. So this is basically it. Once you get the premium version, you will be able to do everything, and then you will be able to find all the product in the product page within your Shopify store right after you import them. They will be imported with all the images, the text, and everything that are basically mentioned within the page of the product. And yeah, guys, that was basically it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.